Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to save or extract images from a PDF file as TIFF format using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this convert option and here you will find this export all images option. Click here. Now select your folder where you want to save. Now select here this TIFF option. Again click on the setting option and select here all pages. Now select OK and save, and see this all of this image now extracted. Now click in one of them and select properties option and see this image format now TIFF format. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.